And flower girls right in front of the dance floor, please. Savio and Shavana. Savio and Shavana, wherever you are, you've got to be on a dance floor. So also Salome and Julinka, can you take your positions? And Savio and Shavana. Savio is here. Wow, you got to be standing here. Where is Shavana, your partner? Where is your girlfriend? He's all feeling shy out there. So Shavana, where is the flower girl? May we request the flower girl to please come here? Gentlemen, I think you can be with her over here. Nothing to worry.
Live, you now only recording with them. Mic gada.
Done, Jackson. Mario, Savio, you got to be here. Irrespective, where is you? I'll be coming. Come on, say hi. Say hi to me. Yeah, jump. Jump, jump. Don't say jump. Turn around. Come on, shout at me. Come on, again. Come. You come with me. Go, go. Jump it up.
Two separate tables, one separate.
Yeah, that's what I told them. Come this side. Yeah.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, maybe this group over here, may we request the pleasure of your company to come right here to welcome the bridal couple. Can you start, madam? Can you please help us giving a lead? Yes, all of us, come on, please. Yeah, people, early comers, come on, we got to welcome the bridal couple. Yeah, come, all of us. Nobody sits down over here, but we got to be on the dance floor to welcome the bridal couple. Thank you. Wow, what about the people right in front of the band stage? Can we start moving, please? Thank you. What about my friends on the left hand side but in front of the band stage? Maybe request the pleasure of your company also to be on to the dance floor.
Not live was now. No live.
Recording.
Recording. After live, full day.
Live this one.
No, full recording.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting for the few people who are still sitting down there. Yeah, you can go this side in. Yeah, I can see quite a few people sitting there. There are a big group of people out here. Mark Tantumchadai, Viginuts dance floor are Yoche Modu. Come on. Yes, the next thing, this group of people. Wow, the next thing we are going to do, ladies and gentlemen, is can we have this entire group taking 10 steps in front over here? 10 steps in front, right over here, please. Because we want to get you in a close-up motion. Okay, fine. Action. Yes, right in front. This group of people, can you come right in front over here, please? In this area, yes. All of us. Yeah, there's ample of space. You can spread around also, not an issue. But come closer. Little more closer over here. You know, I'm absolutely safe. Hi. I'm absolutely safe. Married over here, but no ring on my finger. Come, little more in front. Yeah, madam, Baba, can you come right here? Yeah. Come on, all of y'all, go in front, more in front. People at the back, the small child, we want to
Follow me.
on the video, so come closer. Ah, wow, amazing. You all responded very well, yeah. Only thing, keep this area free over here and be around over here. Come, you can come this side. No, you're not fine. Don't be at the back here. And come a little bit compressed on this side. Done? Okay, the music off now. Where's the prize? Are there prizes around? Ashal, are there prizes? Yeah, there's one prize over here. Let me catch up what this is. Okay, it's a nice one. Let's keep it over here. Okay, now we'll start. Ready? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, a very pleasant evening to all of you wonderful people gathered here tonight. Friends, to those of you who do not know me, this is Joachim Derek, wanting you all to have a wonderful and exciting and thrilling time together. Wonderful, exciting and
Thrilling.
thrilling. Oh wow, very good and responsive crowd. Now, having said that, if you want to have a thrilling time, we're going to start with a game, and the game is I'm going to ask you a few questions, and the answer to the questions got to be yes. Answer to the questions got to be
Yes.
yes. Now, if everybody knows the answer, who gets the prize is $1 million question. Now, the person who is the fastest and the loudest gets the prize. Okay, the first question to you. One prize is here, many in my pocket. Okay, the first prize. Let's see who is the youngest over here and the upbeat person. First questions. Be ready. First question. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Oh my God, itu prize na re. Everybody said, yeah, match fixing dale marenga sir. Okay, the next question. Are you ready to start the party now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Arre, but I heard one loud song. Wow. Who's this guy? What's your name, sir? Anurag. Can we clap our hands together for Anurag? Difficult question, the answer is so easy. Yeah, fine. This is a Cadbury chocolate for you. And the next question, the last questions. This prize going out now. Answer got to be yes, okay? So today, Anisha gets married to Anisha, yes or no?
No.
Yes, so half the people said yes. Anisha, how she can get married to Anisha? Okay, fine. That's to keep you smiling. The next thing, as you keep smiling, what we are going to do is take a bend, and just move it left and right and say hi to each other. Okay, let's start like this. Can this group of people put both your hands up and say hi to this group of people? Can you put up your hands up and say hi? Wow. Now this group of people, can you put your hands up, both your hands up and say hi?
Hi.
Oh wow, respond. This party is going to rock and you're going to enjoy this party. Now having said that, now if you want to move your hips and dance, we have a band par excellence. Oh my God, look at them. They call themselves the Big City Band. Big City
Band.
Band, and they're going to rock you. Look at the guys in front of me. Y'all are going to capture them live. So here we go with a song called Danza Kuduro. Here we go. Guys, Rahil and team, you got to be with these people. Now, what you got to do? Put your hands up and just move them now. Come on, the video is on you. Come on, can you do this? Wow, good. Come on, move your hands. Hold your hands now. Yeah, Rahil and team, you got to be on this side. Guys, you got to be doing this. Look at him. That's the way. Keep it up now. Hey guys, you're on video out here. Move it up now. Amazing. Superb now. Here we go. And Jasper is in action. Jasper, come on, it's your time. Leading Savio and Giovanna. Jumps it out there. Come on. Come on, Savio. You got to jump it up and move it now. And move it. Gentle and nice. Oh my God, they're gone. You got to be here. Next in line. Oh my God, look at them. They're none other than Mario Chriselle, Maverick Shreya, Francis and Trinda. Get this off. Yes. Yes, Mario and Chriselle and company, you gotta be a little faster now. Wow, look at this. You gotta look at each other and back up. Yeah, guys and girls, we have lovely people out here. Can you say hi to this group of people, friends? Can you say hi to them? Yes. Hey, this group of people now. Can you say hi to this group of people now? Everybody together. Hey, you gotta say hi to each other now. Can you say hi to each other? Jump a little bit and turn it out. Move your hips and clap your hands. Now boys, can you turn the girls now? Can you turn the girls? Super, turn the girls. Amazing. Hey, can you say hi to each other? And shoulder to shoulder. Can you do that? Shoulder to shoulder. Wow. Hey, it's a wedding reception party, yes or no? Hey, but where is the bridal couple? Are they around? Oh my God, look at them. You gotta kiss the people out there. People love you. Kiss the people. Hey, yes. Can you cheer the bridal couple? 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Hey, hang on. It's legal to kiss the bride now. Can you kiss the bride? Can you shout out, yay? Now, you got to take a place at the cake table. Can you move it up? Now, engineer and Dr. Anisha, you got to kiss the people and say hi. Wow. There we go, Anshul. Yes. Amazing. Okay. When I told him to kiss the Bride chance dil mein baro kiss gilo. Okay, fine. But some people didn't see you. Can you give that kiss now? Quietly. Yeah, we're waiting for you. Come on. Can you shout out yay? And to the tunes of this kiss, we move on with the big city band right away. Keep your hands full of confetti and the pedals. Shower your love and excitement hand in hand. And we walk by. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come by, at the count of 3, shout out yay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. This is how it is. Wow, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. Osborne and Anisha, can you say hi to your band? This is the big city band for your wedding reception party. And we go by the bridal entourage. You got to cheer the bridal couple. Here we go. Yes, that's the way. And we pass by. Yes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Amazing. And the dancing people, moving people out here. 1, 2, 3. Yay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. Raise your voice. Gently and elegantly, yes. As king and queen of this evening, you'll walk straight in front, in the midst of your family and friends, as they wait and see you in a different attire, looking beautiful and handsome, and we take our positions at the beautiful king right over here. Ladies and gentlemen, before we go any further, it's really amazing to have a fantastic crowd like you all. The way you all cheered the bridal couple and made it happen, you all are making it special to the bridal couple. Can you clap your hands together for yourself? Hats off to all of you. You are really doing a wonderful job. Having said that, I have the proud privilege to call upon Dr. Anisha's family members. Her proud parents today amongst us, and they are Mr. John and Mrs. Meena. Can we please have you all walking forward and joining the bridal couple? Her brother Adrian, where are you? Yeah, Adrian, where are you? Wow, Adrian, we want you also to walk forward. Her auntie Ivy is with us. Ivy, where are you? Ivy, we request you to please come forward and join us. Can somebody lead her there? Ladies and gentlemen, can we please clap our hands together for the Travasso family? Let's welcome them with a thunderous round of applause. And this is Ivy joining us. Such a pleasure to have her amongst us over here. With that, we move on to the next part of the session. We move on to Engineer Osborne's family now. Mrs. Milagrina, the mother of the groom. Milagrina, yes, can we please have you coming forward? And this is the Silva Dias family. Can you clap your hands together for the Silva Dias family? Rochelle is already amongst us over here. And this is the lovely family. Now we go on to the bridal couple. Any guesses whether this was a love marriage or an arranged marriage?
Love marriage.
Okay. Okay, you know the truth, okay? Absolute truth, okay, fine. Now it is arranged or love. How many people say love? Can you shout out yay? Yay! How many people say arranged? Can you shout out yay? Dhoni 50-50 balance all over, sir. Okay, now the real answer to the question is they were in love. But the $1 million question is, both of them gave me two different answers when I asked them how many years in love. Now you all tell me what is the answer. How many years in love?
6.
And what did you all tell me? Mami, hui kottole akitu them salto hui. Mark sangila doni hours mudmuhan thing. People know it as 6 years. Can we clap our hands and a thunderous round of applause to the bridal couple? 6 years in love, and they are all going strong now. They're going to hold the knife together. Yes, both of them are going to hold the knife to join in the countdown. So, ladies and gentlemen, what you all are going to do loudly join in the countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 loudly. Here we go. Everybody together. 5,
4, 3, 2,
and 1. Congratulations to you, Osborne and Anisha. May the joy and happiness in your hearts last forever and ever. With that, we move on to the next part of what tradition calls for, and that's to pop the champagne. To do the honors, we have none other than the most handsome person out here next to Osborne. Any guesses who he is? He's the father of the bride, young as ever, Mr. John Travasso. You got the honors to pop the champagne today. Can you pick the bottle up now, John? Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, he picks the bottle, but I don't know about one thing. Different people do it differently. I'm going to ask you a few questions to you. What does the champagne bottle, when it is opening, sound like? Madam, she's looking at me. Yeah, okay. What does it sound like? Champagne bottle. Okay. Pinto is smiling at her. Pinto, how does it sound like? Is your wife married? Single? He's single. That's why he knows that. Good. That's how he tricks the girls around. Okay, let me go to this side. John, yes, we get going with it. Madam, what's your answer? How does it sound like? She said, Pattitsim. So the boys said, and the girls said, Pattitsim. Okay, fine. And now we go to the last person. Let's go to Adrian out here. What does it sound like? And Osborne, that means you're going to be a pop very, very soon now. Okay. Now it's up to you, John. Yeah, we move on to you. Yes, he goes on pretty fast with it. And where is he? Yes, he's going. Yes, we do it right away. There we go. You know why we have given it to John? They say for foreign car races, it's the first prize winner who pops the champagne. Why? Happiest day in his or her life. Today, it's the happiest day in the Travasso family and the Silva Dias family. So he's going to go, and John believes in slow and steady. Okay, fine. The last time he had done it itself. Oh, why? Really? Very, very soon it is going to happen. Anyway, clap your hands, ladies and gentlemen. This is a joke out here. Why? As it goes into waiting classes, I'm really honored to have with us a very, very special person. He looks handsome. So many single girls around. He looks handsome. Okay. Second thing, he's come all the way from UK especially for this function. He could not make it, but still he made it. And he's none other than the brother of the bride, Adrian. Adrian, you have the honors. We have chosen you right away to say something in honor of the bridal couple. So Adrian, can you please come walk forward here? Yes. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome. Lot of clapping to be done. Yes. Aniyata, there was Zainaka. All the single girls are looking at you. Now, a girlfriend is now. So, girls, you can look at him. Yeah, over to you, Adrian. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. At this moment, I'd like to point out how beautiful this newlywed couple looks today. I would like to thank everyone for coming today, celebrate this occasion with us, and be a part of this wonderful day in our lives. At this moment, I'm filled with admiration and pride for the commitment this couple have made today. And one day, I too hope to follow this as the example. I can say that Osborne's and Anisha's love has been so strong, and their bond is stronger than ever. Osborne, I'd like to welcome you in our family. And although it's been a good while now, but during this time, we have all observed how special you are to Anisha. And I can also say that, and we appreciate how much you have looked out for her. Anisha, as of you, I couldn't ask for a better sister. You have been hardworking, understanding, and patient. You have played such a vital role in bringing this whole family together. For myself, you have been my co-support. You have supported me and played and given me the confidence and strength to go to tough situations. I'm certain you'll be fine as a wife and provide the love and support to build your new home. Yeah. I take this moment to say how important you have been to our family and kept our lives going where it is now. Anisha, Mama and Dada is really proud of you today, and we look up to you to build this home for us. Also, the hard work that you and everyone has put together to organize this wedding has definitely paid off. I'm grateful to the Lord Almighty, and I pray you'll be blessed always, and He protects you with an husband with His divine care. Thank you. Cheers, God.
Oh, wow.
There were tears of joy, but he controlled it. That shows us that he's an emotional guy and a very strong guy also. So girls will love you more now. Okay, fine. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, at the count of 3, let's all shout out cheers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. Now, Adrian, the girls are looking at me and they ask me, why are you calling only the boys forward? Okay, so this time we'll call upon a very good friend of the bridal couple, and she knows the bridal couple in and out, what happened, where it happened and all. And she is none other than Shraddha Prabhu. Shraddha, can we please have you in front? Can you clap your hands and welcome Shraddha out here? Over to you, Shraddha. Thank you.
Thank you so much for everyone present. I've been waiting for this moment really long time now. Myself, Dr. Shraddha, thanking Dias family and Travasu family for giving me this honor. Auntie, uncle, don't worry, the toast is in safe hands this time, unlike last. So I welcome all the ladies and gentlemen that have been here at their best. For some might know me as I was there in the previous function as well, which almost looks like a decade ago. COVID took over the world. Australia met with a bushfire. Species got extinct, men got extinct. What were you all waiting for? Okay, so at last this day has come. Can you all put a round of applause for them? This day is happening. Yeah, so we are very happy to be here. Jokes apart, this is the day, my dear, we have been all waiting for. I couldn't stop myself but notice how gorgeous you're looking. Okay, my dear and near Arnisha, the most exquisite couple I have seen in recent times. Let's take a moment and sink in this delightful day and acknowledge the fact that how Arnisha and Osborne, with the support of their family and friends, have done their best in their power to bring together this dazzling day. The one special day of their lives. Everyone at its best, okay, everybody. Definitely have to mention this because they have chosen the best for their toast, right? Talking about the bride, Dr. Anisha Travasu from Kepe, Bachelor in Dental Surgery from Kaylee, Belgium, and now founder and head of the Smile Fitness Dental Clinic located in Madgaon. The groom, my dear Osborne Dias, completed his mechanical engineer from Bangalore, did his post-graduation in Mary University from Mumbai, and paved his way as a 4th engineer on the ship. So back to when I first saw you, like almost 8 to 9 years ago now, she looked like every girl's childhood dream. That's cute, cuddly teddy bear. Okay, that's why we named her Teddy. But now look at her, guys. The same girls will envy her now, right? So she was once, I remember this incident. I have to bring this up. I'm her close friend. I have to make fun of her. So she was homesick for once, and then she calls up her mama. Mama, where are you? I need to meet you. I need to see you right now. And poor mama was stuck in between her work, and she couldn't catch that 5 a.m. bus in the morning just to see her for like 2-3 hours. So she comes and tells me, I think I'm adopted. Okay? So for that, I go, only if they had a choice, my dear, they would be wise. So congratulations, guys, now that y'all are married. And this tingling feeling, let it sink in. And I would like y'all like to tell you all bluntly that as you got married this day, you all have signed this invisible contract of war. Now the audience might think, why is this person trying to get them, fighting on the very day of their wedding? Before that, let me make it very clear that the war is between both of you all on one side and the negativity on the other side, right? The negativity like anger, pride, selfishness, everything, disrespect, everything. So, let these things never come in between the strongest bond that you all have created from the past 6 years. It's only you all know, which I was not supposed to mention, by the way. So also I would tell you all that since these ups and downs have to come, then let them come only in the bedroom. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to mention this one quality both have in common. That's the fact that both are highly sensitive and caring about their family. Though it's a love marriage, their attendance and protection to nurture the bond with families was commendable. Please may I request you all to look into each other's eyes for just 3 seconds. Husband, relax. Time asa. Time asa. So, so I asked you to do so, to take a moment and thank each other to make this day happen. You all have come a long way, guys. Congratulations. Teddy, please put your hand in front. I think one hand is free. Put it in front. Put it in front, yeah. So, husband, could you just put your hand on her hand? So, buddy, this is the last time in your life you'll ever have an upper hand. Enjoy it. I request everyone to raise your glass. Whoever doesn't have a glass can raise their hands or thumbs. Anything is fine. Okay? So, this is a toast for our beloved bride, Anisha, and honorable groom, Osbin. To the bride so sassy and the groom so classy. To your life full of love, laughter, and happily ever after. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, guys.
Thank you, Sridhar Prabhu, for the simple yet touching words you've expressed to the bridal couple and all of us gathered over here. And now husband is not going to keep you for putting his hand on her head and said, last time you got to do that. Okay, fine. With that, we move on. Anybody heard of Going to Awas? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. We have a 2 times winner, and this is done by the uncle of the bride and the groom. And where is she? She is with us. She is Pavela Daesh. She is a theatrist also, and she is given the honors to sing the toast song today. So, Pavela, it's all yours. We know your song is going to be wonderful and your voice still better. Over to you. Thank you.
Check. La la la, la 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 la.
विश्वासाची गोरा